Attacks by the armed herdsmen in Benue State, Nigeria, have intensified since 2011, beginning in Guel West local government area, and now affecting about 20 of the state's 23 local governments. According to His Royal Highness Daniel Abose, Tai and chairman of West Traditional Council, this attack has displaced countless residents, forcing them into internal displaced person (IDP camp), while armed herdsmen occupy their communities. Roads such as Naka Adoka, Naka Taraku, Naka Makodi have become a dangerous with different movements, several restricted. Several districts in Kwendo, Guma, Loko, Nkpom, Nkpoto, Akudu, and Akpa local government are under siege, leaving over two-thirds of the state in the hands of the attackers. Abbott described the situation as a severe underreported and even worse than the insurgency experience in Borno State. I am Olakuli Farairu, reporting for Us Nigeria. Let me know your take on this.